In this video I'm going to show you how I make a worm farm. This is my old worm farm. It's getting a bit manky. And if you have a look in here, some nice worm castings there. And some more scraps that I've got to break down still. But I'm going to give them a brand new home and I'm going to show you how I make one. And these are my ingredients. I've got some organic compost. I usually use about 50-50 brown waste to green waste. Brown waste would be dry clippings, dry lawn clippings, hay, newspaper I'm going to use, and the green would be food scraps. I've got my offcuts of the rocket plant. I'm going to use some of that. And I've got 2 broccoli boxes from my local supermarket, one of them with a lid, and I'm going to put some holes in one of them and I'll show you how to do that. So I turn the box upside down and stab the holes in, just with a bamboo stick. And I'll show you why I've turned it upside down. I'm not sure if you can see, but when you turn it over, it's like a little divot, so the water will drain straight out the hole. So I'm going to keep doing that and put some more holes along the bottom, flip it back over and do that. Okay, so there's my holes, and this is going to be the top box. This is where all the food scraps and everything's going to sit. And all the leachate, which is the runoff from the worm castings, will run down into the bottom box, and you can dilute that 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 and put that on your plants. Okay, there's the box at the top. Now I'm going to add half paper and half greens, and then a bit of organic compost just to help it start the process. They only have little mouths, so it's good to break it up a little bit. Then we're going to do that again. And leave off the newspaper for a while too. And then I'm going to sit it on top and just give it a hose, and then I'll add my worms. But I need to harvest and get the worms out of the other bin, so I'll show you that later when I add the worms. And that's the basic worm farm, and I'll just put my worms in on top. Keep it in a shady spot because they don't like sun. They also don't like citrus, onions or potato peels. And I'll just put the lid back on top. You can also add some extra newspaper to the top as a bed for them and wet it again. And I'll show you when I add the worms. So I'm just going to put all of these little worms back in the new worm bin because they're pretty happy in that, so I'm not going to take too much of the worm castings out of there. There is heaps of worms in there. So I'm just going to put them all into the new bin. And that's how you make a worm farm. Now let's get to those castings.